bought this kit off of Amazon, and it is supposed to work for this Echo backpack blower. It has like a carburetor and all the tune-up stuff inside it. And please let me tell you, first of all, it just needs a good exterior bath. Like, it's so dirty because it's just been sitting because he hasn't used it. I'm wondering if I can remove this while I'm working on it, because it is like really just awkward to work with. Get my little screwdrivers out. See how long this thing is? It's just getting in the way. I've wanted one of these for so long. I found a leaf. First thing, I'm gonna take this off. All right, and that does not look the same. Then I need a Phillips to take these pieces off. I need a parts bin, because remember I lose everything. Here's the carburetor. We're gonna unhook the fuel lines. Still has some fuel in there, like a lot kind of. I should be doing this live, so if I'm gonna kill myself, you guys could tell me. Oh, it smells so good. What could go wrong? Get the fuel lines off there. Then you need a 10mm to get this little guy off. Look at this little cutie. Then there's a little wire. You like push it forward and pull it out like that. You're gonna take this grommet out that has these tubes, because we got a new one, all right? Need a screwdriver. I feel like I need glasses for this. Won't want to fling anything in my eyeballs. You want to make sure you remember which tubing goes where. Guys, this is really hard. All right, I finally got it out. This looks different. You think it's okay? That grommet doesn't even look the same size. Guys, I'm gonna put this tube back in the same grommet. Oh, I almost got it. That was so hard. Okay, now I'm gonna clean it up a little bit because it's so dirty in here. Change this too. These are driving me crazy. Gotta take them off. See how this new carburetor is different than this old one? So we're gonna slide this, I don't know technical terms, this plate off and put it on the new one. A little screwdriver. Take this off. Slide this out and clean it off. Same thing to the new one. Now loosen this guy. Gonna use the new screws on the new one though. So don't lose them, like I probably will. Oh, see, that one almost jumped off the table. This is gonna come out and this is gonna go back in. And then you're gonna put the screws back in. Tighten this one again, just so it's touching like that. Now I got the new carburetor all ready. We're gonna put this back into this little guy. Once that's in, then you slide this in like that, the 10mm. And see these two? This one, it's like ribbed. This goes to the one with the fuel filter on it. You wanna make sure you remember properly. So I'm just gonna shove that tube on there. We gotta put this back on, and then this air filter that goes through that, also through this. The air filter goes back on. Like I said, this does not look like the right one, so I'm just going to reuse this one. It's not that bad. I'll probably order another one though. This goes on here, and then you just screw back in. Now, the test is pumping this and seeing if it fills with gas. But